Hello everyone, I am Mr. Helper. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Assassin Creed Valhalla on the Ubisoft Connect launcher. Before I explain those steps, there are few very important things that you must know, otherwise you won't be able to install Assassin Creed Valhalla at all. You must have more than 100 plus GB of free disk space on your hard drive. In my case, I bought the Assassin Creed Valhalla Complete Edition. So that means I must need more than 150 GB of free disk space on my hard drive. I will show you what I am getting in Assassin Creed Valhalla Complete Edition pack later on this video. So that's been said, let's get started. First things first, you must install the Ubisoft Connect launcher on your computer. If you already installed the Ubisoft Connect launcher, then you can skip to the Assassin Creed Valhalla installation part. Now let's see how to download the Ubisoft Connect launcher directly from the Ubisoft official website. Open your favorite browser and go to duckduckgo.com and then search for download Ubisoft Connect launcher. Press enter. Go for the first link, which is www.ubisoft.com. Open it. Now click on download Ubisoft Connect. Click on it. Minimize your browser. And as you can see, I have already installed Ubisoft Connect launcher on my computer. But in your case, you have to double click on the setup file and install it. And then after that, log in with your account. Now open your Ubisoft Connect launcher. Now click on library and search for Assassin Creed Valhalla. If you want, you can simply type Valhalla also, like this. Now click on it. As I said earlier, I have the Assassin Creed Valhalla Complete Edition. So that means I have all the DLCs and season pack items. Let me show you what those are. These are the things that you are getting if you buy Assassin Creed Valhalla Complete Edition. There is one thing I really don't appreciate, which is that we have no choice to choose whether we want to install only the Assassin Creed Valhalla base game or want to install only selective DLCs and season pass. In my case, just because I have Assassin Creed Valhalla Complete Edition, it means I have to download and install the entire season pass and other DLCs as well, whether at the moment I want to play the DLCs and season pass or not. It seems like to me a waste of internet data and disk space, as well as game loading time might also increase due to this. I hope in future they fix this. Now what we have to do is click on this download button. Please select the installation language. In my case, I am going with English. Click on continue. If you want, you can create start menu shortcut as well. Check this one. If you want create desktop shortcut, you can go ahead and check this one also. Now if you want to change the installation location, you can click over here and change it. Click on continue. So this is end user license agreement, EULA. If you agree with that, then click on accept and continue. So as you can see, it is required 151.05 GB disk space on your computer. This will surely gonna take a lot of time, and I don't want to keep you waiting for next 1 or 2 hours to show you how long it took me to download and install Assassin Creed Valhalla. So talk to you once my download complete. Okay, so finally my game files are downloaded and installed successfully. Now just click on this play button to start your game. Now before you go, I want to invite you to my Discord server, link is in the description box below, and request you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share your valuable feedback on comment box below. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!
Var. Mycket mer att då, eller är det